Hausi ana lai ba mahom na si Jantar Mantar ni Jantar Mantar do asi proper Janata Party na sinduna Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan bu resign ta haiduna hausi kanna protest ori mahom na sida hausi masing ya lewan ha kya punsinduna hausi Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan resign ta unbagi dama kanna dabi dori. What is the idea behind this IPL, Indian Paper League?
Yes, because league is IPL, by which I don't mean Indian Premier League. I mean Indian Paper League.
Yes.
And this has been happening everywhere, and this affects all of us. Like IPL, where the highest wicket taker gets purple cap, the person who takes 20th wicket, he has gotten the purple cap here. And there are more leagues than runs now. So the person creating more leagues, he got orange cap. And the emerging paper leaguer award goes to NPA. They are very new, they are very young, and so they are getting the emerging paper leaguer award.
So what is your demand?
Our demand is what everyone's demand, like the education ministry should take responsibility, and the education minister should resign, and also we should make sure that there are no more leagues happening from next year, because all of our lives are getting affected.
Hojik mangduriba sakram asi leiriba sarkar asida frustration saraba unemployed youth kaya amadi numa kangna paper leak oirakana maram oiraga chophraba satra kaya Pokos Janata Party gi Abhijit ki poll amagi matung inna ngasi Jantar Mantar India gi mafhum kya dagi nangbi rakhuna punna chathakiba protest adugi sakhamni leiriba karap oiriba government asigra Hajaba manglaba satra kayana Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan bu phamthadu haidana chingba kholau kaya laukhi. Itaw gi mingkari kauge?
Giming William Pokumai,
Kai lamdagi?
Sanamati District, Manipur.
Okay, so in Manipur right now there are so many things are happening in Manipur. What is your appeal to those Kuki armed militias who held hostage cis Naga peoples?
Okay, see, the thing was like the war has been not happening. Ethnic war has been going in Manipur.
Yeah.
Like it happens between the Meiteis and the Kukis and the Nagas and the Kukis again now.
Yeah.
So the thing was the 6 Naga hostages held by the Kuki militants. I want to I want to say pass this message to the Kuki militants or the people of the Manipur. See, there is no point of arresting or adopting the innocent people life like this. So we have been appealing, the Naga society has been appealing, the Manipur for people for peace has been appealing to remove the people, to release the people, but the Kuki militants, the Kuki KSO declined that the 6 Nagas which are adopted are not in the hands in the custody. But everybody knows that it has been there because for the first time when they adopted along with the 24 peoples, the 6 Nagas which were missing now were among them. So if they are not released, if they are not in the hands, why are they not? Why can't they question the answer? If they have been released, they would have been home.
Yeah.
So I want to appeal to all the peoples, not particularly, I'm not supporting the Meiteis, not the Kukis, not the Nagas, but I'm appealing this as a whole, as a Manipur.
Yeah, as a Manipuri.
Yeah, as Manipuri, for the peace of Manipur. Please release those 6 Naga hostages. We should not kill the innocent. We should not
We should live in peaceful.
Yes, we should let them live peacefully. Everybody want peace, everybody need peace, and we should discuss it with bylaw,
Yeah.
government of Manipur, with the central government to interfere, and then in a peace talk, not with militants, not with village force, not with guns,
exactly.
not with all those things. Firstly, I want to thank Abhijit Dipti for forming this Pokora Janata Party, because this is not just a means or a group of a party or organization, but this is a group for the youth to make India a better place. So, regarding about the past days, past years, not only this years, there has been several paper leaks, corruption on paper, corruption on exam, SSC, and CUET, NTA, everything. So the main thing we came up with the purpose was we all know that we want immediate resignation from Dharmendra Pradhan, Education Minister of India. See, we want a good education minister. So we request and then we appeal and then we protest that he should step down from the position. And then this is not for the political party, not for everything, but this is for the betterment of the India. And then the things which are happening about the exams, the corruption, everything, this should be stopped immediately. And then the government, not only the education minister, but the central government, the ruling party should and men should look into it and focus and do what is required for the benefit of the youth, for the benefit of Indian nation, for the good of the Indian people. So I want to say this protest is great, and then we want Dharmendra Pradhan to resign immediately.
So, as a youth, as a student, what do you want to give message to the student of Manipur, to the youth of Manipur? What do you want to do for Manipur?
See, to all the students who are watching this, to all the people, to all the youths, don't worry. We are Cockroach Janata Party. We may be small in number now. They may look down on us now, but we are the future generations. We are the people of the nations. The government is for the people, and without the people, the government is not here. So we will strike for it. We will fight for your rights. We will fight for our rights. We will fight for the betterment of this India. We will fight for the future of all the students and the youth, and we'll make this India a proud nation, a great nation, free from imperialism, free from democratic rule, free from anything, but we will live in democracy, and then we will make India a perfect country for everybody, free and fair. So to all the youth and the students watching this, support us, join the movement, join the protest, and then we will go with Ahimsa, quoted by Mahatma Gandhi, non-violence, and then we will protest it, and then we will finally win it. Jai Hind.
Yes.
अगर आप लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हो एज अ यूथ, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये तो इंटरनेट वेव है, इट्स जस्ट अ मीम, तो मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप ये सोचते हो, अगर आप इसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते तो आप अपना फ्यूचर और पंच डाउन किए जा रहे हो, क्योंकि आज पेपर लीक हुआ, पहले पेपर लीक हुआ, कुछ नहीं बोला, आज आप खड़े नहीं होते हो, अगर आप आज ये वेकअप कॉल नहीं उठाते, इंस्पेक्शन नहीं लेते, तो महंगाई ऑलरेडी बढ़ गई है, पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं, ग्रेजुएट हो गए, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं मिलेगी, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर खराब होगा, और फिर उस डार्कनेस में आप चले जाओगे, फिर वहां से उठ के आना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा। सो अभी है, अभी मौका, उठो, आओ, इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाओ, क्योंकि ये इंडिविजुअल लेवल पर सबको हानिकारक कर रही है।
जो सरकार अभी ये युवा लोग को पाकिस्तानी एजेंट बोल रहा है और जो सोरोस फंडेड बोल रही है प्रोटेस्ट को, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
इतना करप्ट माइंड हो चुका है कि हम लोग क्वेश्चन नहीं कर सकते, बताओ। इससे अच्छा तो ब्रिटिश राज था, ब्रिटिश इंपेरियलिज्म था, फिर भी हम लोग एटलीस्ट प्रोटेस्ट कर पाते थे, एक्सरसाइज कर पाते थे, और यहाँ पे टेररिस्ट बोल दिया,
डिस्क्रेडिट करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मान रखना है, मान रखना है,
अपनी जान गंवानी पड़ी। उन बच्चों की याद में हमें मौन रखना होगा, तो 5 मिनट के लिए सभी साथी शांत हो जाए।